to Nassau. What do we have over here? Some people, maybe not a lot, we'll find out, will stay on the ship. Every ship that we've ever been on, we've been to Nassau. Will this be our third time? I was trying to figure if it was 3 or 4. And every ship we've been on, usually about half of the ship stays on the ship at Port Nassau. I mean, I would assume that's because half of them have already been and they know exactly, you know, what they want to do there, and maybe some people can't handle the hustle and the bustle, the rush that they have there. I enjoy it. People are just, you know, trying to give you a little piece of their life, where they live, showing you their spot. But if you know what you want to do in Nassau, if you have a itinerary, I would say that. Know what you want to do when you go to Nassau. And make it fun, because there's lots of fun things to do in Nassau. So, we're getting ready to get off port in a few minutes. Well, actually, we're going to go eat breakfast. I like to go to the fine dining room for breakfast, but we're going to go to the Windjammer. And this is the smoking deck. And then on the Harmony of the Seas, the smoking deck is just on port side 15. Eggs and bacon, one of my favorite parts. Yes, a little bit, please. That'd be great. You know me, I don't eat much of it, but there you go, perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, it's got ham in it. Scrambled eggs or scrambled eggs with ham. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Crispy bacon, hard-boiled, and just more eggs and stuff over here. Just simple food. Lots of fruits and muffins down there. Let me hold this, I need to put my stuff away.
Oh, look who's here. Yeah, they shoved us out here on the last parking spot. Which means you're gonna have to walk down that pier. See you later. We'll be back.
I think that might have been the brown stuff, the little clumps that I was seeing up in the Windjammer.
Oh yeah.
Just like old seaweed or something.
Seagrass. Beds of seagrass.
So, it's a little bit different here in Nassau since we've been.
It's been a few.
Yeah.
Years.
Yeah, this is our third time, but we ain't been here since 2019, so right before the shutdown. And it's a lot longer.
Don't back that baby up there.
Construction going on.
Welcome guys, safe to
What, baby? Where do you want to go? This way? That's okay. She said that to us anyways.
Yeah.
It kind of be relaxing anyways to not, you know. Oh. Can we walk in? Wow. You need sunglasses. They got an abundance amount. Hi.
Welcome to the Bahamas.
Thank you.
Hey. You want that one?
This is where you can sign up for your Bahama getaway.
Maybe later. My name is Debbie.
young lady.
Babe.
All right, chocolate is the
Dollar keychains, let's go.
Chains are $1.
I got 3 for 5, short glass for 3 for 10.
Maybe on the way back.
Baby, it's the $5 tape.
Oh my.
Bracelets, keychains are $1. Shot glasses are 3 for 10.
We will. Oh, babe, watch out. Cruise information and the concierge. Anything you need to find will be right as you get off the port. Lots of people helping you. Thank you. Thank you.
Take a walk.
The flowers are so pretty. Because you're in the Bahamas. I always call it the Bahams, but it's the Bahamas. We're in Nassau today. And we are walking all the way to the Queen's Staircase.
Have a nice day, yo. God bless.